Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Arngut ki MP ka Madhya Pradesh bakentop ya Ushankar Lalwani u MP ka Lok Sabha na Indore constituency bat Usumer Singh Solanki u MP ka Rajya Sabha ki Wanpoi Shenong ba Shillong bat Buddien halor ka Jingjah ki Shijur hasora. Na kaliang kini ki Arngut ki MP henne kasngi ki lalet banyakendo ya u Chief Secretary ka Jilla u ba DP Walang banwat jingtip ya ki Jingjah ki baga sorkar kale banlap ya kini ki Shijur. Habaya keren berkila pathai kubor na kaliang Ushankar Lalwani u MP ka Lok Sabha na Indore Madhya Pradesh ulay thu baki bahayeng jong ki Arngut ki balaja ha Meghalaya ki lapintip ya u halor ka ne ka Jingjah banna kaliang ka jong u marmar ulawan cha Meghalaya haringkat bat u MP ka Rajya Sabha ban Buddien bat banwat jingtip ya ki Jingjah ki bagatanat pulet kalale ulay itu bana kaliang ka jong ki bahayeng bat ki MP kilalet banya kendu ya ka Director General Police bat layo banya keren halor kimat bayadei bat ka Jingjah Rngai ki Shikurim. Shushu ulay itu bana kaliang ki bor pulet ki SDRF bat ki Traishnong ka Jilla Meghalaya kilale kat bala bantuet ya kini ki Shikurim. Ulo ongru bana kaliang ki pulet kila jubab lut ye ki sakhi jongki bat kumju ru bakin le kat bakila ban penbiang bat ki tiar kum ki drone ki kso ban wat ya kini ki Arngut ulai thu ru bana kaliang UCS ulo ong ba lada ki don kam jingerap na ki wei ki Jilla ru kila ban beteng ban wat ye ki ha kini ki sngi ban wan ru.
I am Shankar Lalwani, member of Lok Sabha from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Last week, our couple from Indore missing here in Shillong, and family member are here. Day before yesterday night, I reached here, and yesterday we met DGP madam, and we talked about the issue. The family member was also with me, and then they raised what query their doubts in front of DGP madam, and DGP told us that we are trying our level best. One SP and team of police with SDRF is there, and we are doing level best. If we require, we will more employ police or SDRF. Today we met with a family member to Chief Secretary of Meghalaya. Their IG or DIG was there, and also the SP who is looking after this operation was there. They inform us all the detail they are doing, what operation is going on. Even then we or our family member they told ki what more we are expecting from you. So Chief Secretary instructed to direct to the police whatever we can do, our level best. With our side we will do, and they are doing level best, and I think tomorrow maybe more police will be deployed for this operation, and SDRFs and dogs and drone. So, and even local, there are so many villages are there, 2-3 villages are there. So local people are helping, as SP told us. So local people, as police and other they are coordinating each other, and we will, let us hope we will find the way what happened to the this situation is this type. So they told ki whatever best option should be there. Even Chief Secretary told if required we will SDRF team will deploy from Assam or somewhere if we need. So police and government they are doing their level best. We are hoping we will come to know what happened. The Chief Secretary, DGP madam and IG and SP told us they are doing their level best, and we expect things will come out what happened on that day. And now what is the situation, what is the position of them.